with the idea of factorials, we're going to define something called the binomial coefficient or combination of n things taken r at a time. And the combination of n things taken r at a time is n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. Now let's see what this means with a numerical example so you can see where things go. If we're going to take the combination of 5 things taken 2 at a time, that would give us 5 factorial over 2 factorial, and then 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. So this combination will give us 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 3 times 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. These 3 2 1s all cancel one another out. And then we can have 2 cancels out that 4, leaves us with a 2 back here. So that will give us that 5 taken 2 at a time is 10. And once we've established how this works, and there is one other thing that we have to define along the way, and that's what happens if you say, for example, 5 taken 0 at a time, and that would end up being 5 factorial over 0 factorial 5 factorial. We have to define what it means to be 0 factorial. How do we count down? If we only go down to 1, how do we take something called 0 factorial? We're going to define 0 factorial to be 1, in which case 5 taken 0 at a time is 1, so that cancels out. 5 factorial over 5 factorial is 1. In other words, how many ways can you take 5 things and not take any of them? There's one way not to take any. So we have 0 factorial equals 1, and that helps us.